Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make soft scrambled eggs, also called wet scrambled eggs. Let's get cooking. So what are soft scrambled eggs? Well, soft scrambled eggs in comparison to hard scrambled eggs are a lot creamier and richer, and they're not as cooked as hard scrambled eggs. Hard scrambled eggs are what people in America are used to at diners and restaurants. It's the typical style where you cook it to the point of it just being almost bone dry. Soft scrambled eggs, you kind of maintain, you cook it low and slow, and you sort of maintain that like kind of custardy creaminess that you get with eggs. So I'm just gonna start off by adding my beaten eggs to a skillet with some butter. So with soft scrambled eggs, the key is to go low and slow and just scrape with your spatula like across the pan towards the center, kind of revealing these really large, just ribbons of cooked egg. You're not trying to do it too fast. The key here is to do it over a low heat and to kind of preserve that creaminess and that custard that you get from eggs. In contrast, hard scrambled eggs are cooked on a higher heat, much quicker, and they're bone dry. Okay, so our soft eggs are done. As you can see, they kind of have a bit of a wet look to them. Don't let it deceive you. The eggs are not uncooked. They will actually kind of set further once you take them out of the pan. But they, in contrast to hard scrambled eggs, they definitely don't look as dry. You can see there's bigger ribbons of the cooked eggs compared to the sort of smaller curds that you get with the hard scrambled eggs. So I'm just gonna top it off with a little cracked pepper and some salt. And we're good to go. Now just give it a try. It's really hot. So if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. If there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment below. And hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Cheers.